up my day. Before Manchester United decide to fuck up my day, let's talk about Jamaica. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Today we will talk about Jamaica's back four, and we'll talk about what I heard on Twitter and all over YouTube about Jamaica's potential starting levels, that kind of stuff. But before we go any further, please drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there if you're brand new. Thank you guys for liking and subscribing as well and then pass, and appreciate every one of you guys. God for the support. Thank you for the support. Bless yourself. Let's get into it, please. Let's get into it, fam. Number one, let's talk about what I've seen on the YouTube's faces in on Twitter, X, if you want to call it that. People talking about Jamaica's philosophy now, what JFF philosophy is to bring in overseas based players and what that does for the local players. And I said something about this in previous videos. Maybe I made a video, maybe I commented on someone else's video. I don't remember exactly, but I'm going to say this clearly now. Okay? The group of players that Jamaicans are producing in Jamaica at the moment is shite. I'm going to say this right now because I'm not afraid of anyone or anyone stalking. The group of players that Jamaica is producing in Jamaica is shit. And it's not because of the players themselves. It's because of the infrastructure within Jamaica's football that's allowing them to struggle in international football. Yeah? The football level that we have, Jamaica's football, the footballers are coming out and playing for a national team in Jamaica are the cream of the crop. But the crop is shit. So they have to be the cream of it. Yeah? We can't be talking about certain players should be playing for the national team because, they're Jamaicans or they're born in Jamaica, yada, yada. No, fam. No. Go back to 1998, Rennie Simoy's team. Full of English Premier League ballers. Filled with it. Fam, we don't have the infrastructure to develop football in Jamaica. We don't have the fields. We don't have the players. We don't have a coaching staff, fam. And that is JFF responsibility from day one. So don't get me wrong. JFF is shit, has been shit, and will continue to be shit. But I don't like the fact that you man are talking about we don't need to bring in all these English-based players or the players based in America. We need to bring our youth players. No, because our national team does not and cannot develop a baller into a baller. If you play for the national team, you're the pinnacle of football. You're not supposed to play for the national team so we can show the world how good he is. No. You're supposed to be playing in club and then transfer over to other leagues and then he can develop. That's why I like the whole philosophy that I don't want to say it. I'm going to regret saying it, but Leon Bailey's coach or father, whatever man call himself. What he's been doing is bringing young players into bigger clubs, different countries, having them play young players. And now Leon Bailey playing for Aston Villa. And now Whisper playing for Chelsea. So we can see the development. He's been doing that. He did that before. He's going to do it again. That's what we want to see because there is talent in Jamaica. But we can't show it in Jamaica because the football in Jamaica is shit. The football in Jamaica is shit. Point blank, period. Yeah? So all you man talking about we need to develop the ballers and bring them a national team. Bullshit. Bull fucking shit. I'm sorry. Bullshit. Yeah? Bullshit. Okay. Thank you very much, people. Now let's get into the meat of the matter. Let's talk about the four in the defense that we think should be playing in the defense in the Copa America and into the World Cup qualifiers. So let's go. Let's show you guys who I think should be in the starting level. Now, this man right here, he make himself a legend after him score against USA, and I was there for that game. All right, it was Gregory, and then next one have to be, must be, will be Ethan Pinnock. Without a shadow of a doubt, Ethan fucking Pinnock. Even if him foot broke, him off to play. Then Deshaun Bernard. Deshaun fucking Bernard, fam. And then right back, without a shadow of a doubt, Lati Bodier. Why so he plays in place of Coventry, fam? He plays in the right back position for Coventry. So he has to play there. No question about it. He has to play there. Because the players that we have at right back right now, complete and utter shite. Right back is probably our only, literally our only defensive casualty right now. You can tell that right now, without a shadow of a doubt. So I think Latibodier, who, as I said, is playing for Coventry at right back, should be playing at right back for his country. So I definitely think that I'm gonna put it out there. I'm not sure if you can see it. I can't see it on my thing, so who knows, fam? Who knows? Who the fuck knows? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the final part of my program, of a three-set program that shows the back four: Deshaun Bernard, Ethan Pinnock, Greg Lear, and Latibodier. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to watch the Manchester United game right now. Whatever. What the fuck ever, fam. Best of yourself, best of others. Manaz.